NG Conf in Salt Lake City. We decided that we should do a unboxing video because the lovely people at NG Conf gave us these amazing bags.
Yes.
And there's a whole swag store. And what are you talking about at NG Conf?
I am talking about the control value accessor interface and how it's like a wormhole.
Awesome. What about you?
I am giving RxJS updates.
Amazing.
Yes.
I'm just talking about my fake boyfriend app that I made with a flick button and using Microsoft and Twilio. Pretty
Which
fun.
is totally valid.
Yeah. So let's we figured we'd do a little unboxing here of the cool stuff. Do you want to go first?
Okay.
Jen?
I'll pull out the first thing and then you can pull out the next thing.
Okay.
Ooh, and I know what I'm gonna go for because this is my new swag thing that I'm excited about because I've been Marie Kondoing and
Do I
getting rid
have
of
this?
t-shirts. So excited to see these fabulous NG Conf socks to
Love a
keep
good sock.
to keep my feet warm. Because are you two always freezing at conferences?
I am.
And on the planes. On the planes.
I'm
yeah.
gonna be a little unladylike. I'm wearing this dinosaur dress, but these are dinosaur
tacos!
tacosaurus.
I love them.
Socks. Socks are great. Such an inclusive, wonderful gift.
Yes.
And they're very high quality too. I mean, these
Yeah.
are no joke. These are not those sort of cheaply printed ones, but they're
They're
nice.
very cute.
Mhm.
Thank you, NG Conf.
Yes.
This is a lovely personal touch. NG Conf asked what snacks that we like, and personally, I am keto, so I can't eat anything at most conferences. And they got the keto snacks that I love. Shout out to Matt at Microsoft. Quest chips up in here.
Ooh.
Some Choco Right.
If you eat that when it's keto, it's
Oh
chocolate.
yeah, it's like low. It's
Ooh.
like it's like 1.5 net carbs.
Nice.
Amazing. What snacks did you?
I got dried mango. I actually really like dried mango. I was like, ooh, is there kombucha in here? Because I think I answered that to a speaker survey. But I am all about more healthy snacks.
What
I
a lovely.
can't find my snacks. Oh, I found them.
What's yours? Wow.
No. I got that too. There's going to be
Okay.
a special Tracy snack.
Okay.
What's your Tracy snack? Oh, I got candy too.
If this was a live feed, we could be like, tell us your favorite snacks.
There's
I don't
also.
know if I got snacks.
Should we do a live feed? It's too late. It's too late.
Yeah, nobody.
There's also space ice cream in here.
Look at this look at this lollipop though.
you-
I'll open it so people can see it.
If you didn't pick up already, the theme for NG Conf
Oh
is
my God.
space themed. So there's these very cute touches of space candy and space food, and they have a swag store where everybody can buy this stuff. What's this? A Rubik's Cube?
No,
With-
it's Tracy's turn. You're messing.
Oh,
Okay,
I
look at
know,
this.
that's
This is super
okay.
cool. It's like a galaxy lollipop.
But this is crazy because you have the shirt, and then you have the sweater. So I love
Ooh,
collecting.
show us the sweater.
The sweater's amazing. I love collecting NG Conf
Very
sweaters.
nice.
Ooh.
See look how soft it is.
Ooh, and I
Look at
like
the
this
ribbon.
on the side. That's kind of a cool
Ah.
touch.
Yes.
See, my only feedback, NG Conf, is you needed to give us a separate carry-on
Yeah.
for all this stuff.
I came
because
prepared with my
We have
extendable
another
bag.
shirt, too.
We've also not even gone to the expo hall yet, so where are we going to put all of our pens and things that we get from all the lovely sponsors?
But what's even crazier is they also gave us jackets.
Ooh. Oh my gosh, it's like
It's like a real jacket.
oh, and you know what? I bet this fits women. Like it's a cool jacket.
Yeah.
Like they took a note from
It's like a bomber
Uber and
jacket
have like
or
yeah.
something.
Oh, okay. I will wear the shit out of that.
A lovely touch is the code of conduct in paper form. Listen up, conferences. This is great. This is a really, really good reference for folks if they run into any issues at the conference. It tells you the numbers that you can call if there's any sort of violation or anything like that.
The emails.
The different people, the core members. This is really, really great. This should be best practice. Way to go, NG Conf. This also has all of the speaker information that you could possibly need for people who don't want to be on their phones and stuff. That's cool. It's very cool.
All right, Chloe, what do we have next?
It's a water bottle.
Ooh.
It's 24 ounces stainless steel.
Uh-oh, am I gonna have to retire my like I will not do conferences without my normal water bottle.
Yeah.
It is my secure. Ooh, but I might have to retire my water bottle for this new one. This is pretty
This
cool.
is a very intense water
It
bottle.
is so important to hydrate,
Mm-hmm.
and thank you, NG Conf, for hydrating everyone.
And it says H2 Go.
Wow. Wow.
Nice.
There's a pen in here.
Wait, it's Tracy's turn. Oh, I found my lanyard. We were trying to figure out where our lanyards were earlier.
Shirt.
Red
I
wallets.
think that this is cute too. There's like this little, I think it's still astronaut
Space
ice cream.
ice cream.
What?
But I think there's 2 astronaut ice creams as well. There's another one in here.
Wait, how is that different from Dippin' Dots?
Eat it. Eat it for
Have
the...
you had the freeze?
Okay.
Have you had astronaut ice cream before?
No. All right, are we gonna
Oh
eat
my
this
God,
live
yes,
on
eat it.
camera?
Have you never been to
Either
a
way.
science museum as a child?
Apparently not a good one. Like, I'm from the Midwest, so.
Wow.
Okay, all right, I'm gonna eat this. Like, I don't wait, is this not, this looks like a Lucky Charm.
Eat it. Put it in your mouth. Chew.
It's like a Lucky Charm.
It's dehydrated ice cream.
Look at this pen.
But
There's
it's like a Lucky
pen
Charm.
is amazing. Look, it has sparkles
there's
in it.
glitter in
Ooh,
this pen.
that totally
I think
matches
it's
my
like
Galaxy
little
leggings for
crystals.
tomorrow. No, I'm
It's
pretty
little
sure these are
crystals.
just like Lucky Charm marshmallows.
These are 100% Swarovski crystal. No, I'm just kidding. Provided Swarovski is an official.
Okay, but seriously,
sponsor
like,
of
how
NG
is this
Conf.
different from Lucky Charms? Like, seriously.
Is it like really teensy?
No, look.
They
it's
are Lucky
I
Charms.
told you!
Let me see this.
I was like, this is not space ice cream. These are Lucky Charms
Best
marshmallows.
charm.
They're ice cream bites.
It's good.
I
Okay,
feel-
this is actually
I
what
feel
I
lied
really
to.
like too.
Oh.
Mm.
So it's a
Coaster and beer opener.
coaster and a beer opener.
Mm.
And
Wow.
it looks like it's also a magnet. Coaster, beer opener, and magnet.
This is just so thoughtful. Thank you, NG Conf. This is just like the cutest thing ever. And now I have keto snacks and jackets.
And we put a little higher woman, change the ratio in here.
I
Change
like
your
it.
ratio. Hire women. Because if you hire more women, you get more unboxing videos
Mm-hmm.
at your conferences.
And better swag options for everyone.
And
because
ladies-
women drive better swag options.
Yes, and ladies, if you want sweet swag, talk to any of the 3 of us. We would love to help you get started speaking at conferences.
Yes, absolutely. Reach out to us on Twitter. You know,
We have to do Twitter handles now.
at
I'm
Chloe
gonna put on my
Condon.
sweet jacket.
I'm at Lady Leet.
I'm at like OMG it's Fetty.
Love it.
I know, I probably should spell that, but this is, man, I'm like fucking balling here. Excuse me, I'm overeating here.
Is balling, like, does that mean balling? Is that a thing?
I know that from the Destiny's Child song.
Well, you know, like people are like, hey, yeah, ballin', like.
Like
I don't know if that means be balling, but like, or like testicle balling, so I say overeating to like kind of balance it
That's
out.
good. I like it.
Mhm.
ovaries before broveries.
Yes, or I'll be like woman up, or yeah, I forget some of the other ones I have. But.
Anything y'all want to share before we turn off the video?
I'm hot now.
Cool. I am at a good temp right now. How's your temperature?
I'm getting hot in here.
Yeah. Well,
All right, we have very important plans of drinking rosé and watching Life Size 2
Life Size 2
as our
starring
conference prep.
Tyra Banks. So thank you all for joining, and we'll see you at NG Conf.